In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your OneDrive folder name using our full 2024 guide. This is a quick and easy process that you should be able to complete in just a few minutes. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Microsoft account. You can do this by heading over to the Microsoft account login page. Once you're logged in, you'll see your account's homepage. Here, look towards the top of the page to find the app launcher. It's usually represented by a grid icon. Click on it to reveal the list of available applications. From this menu, you'll want to select OneDrive. This is where we'll be making the changes today. With OneDrive open, navigate to the left side of the screen and click on My Files. This section displays all the files and folders currently stored in your OneDrive. Now locate the file or folder whose name you want to change. Once you've found it, take a look at the right hand side where you'll see 3 vertical dots beside the folder name. Click on these dots to bring up a context menu. In this menu you'll see the rename option. Clicking this will highlight the name of your folder, allowing you to type in a new name. Make sure that the new name you choose is clear and descriptive, especially if you'll be sharing these files or folders with others or accessing them frequently yourself. Once you're satisfied with your new folder name, press enter on your keyboard or click rename in the menu to save the changes. And that's it! Your folder now has a new name. Remember, renaming folders in OneDrive not only keeps your files organized, but also makes it easier to locate and share them with colleagues or friends. It's a simple way to boost your productivity and ensure your digital workspace is as efficient as possible. If you encounter any problems along the way, make sure to check your internet connection, as some unintended behaviors may be due to connectivity issues. Additionally, if the rename option is grayed out, double check your access permissions, as you may need administrator rights for certain actions. I hope this guide has been helpful in demonstrating how to quickly and effectively update your folder names in OneDrive. Stay tuned for more tips and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.